Keith Sydney's body is 15 years in the making, and it's all natural. Putting his hard work to the ultimate test, Sydney today left for the inaugural Mr. Olympia World Championships in Greece this weekend.
They're the type of guys where you have to come in your best. You know, you have to look your best, you have to have your posing down to a T, because if you give them any room to win, they can win.
After taking out the Sunshine Coast title in September, Sydney was also recently crowned Australian Natural Champion for a second time. The 32-year-old confident of his chances in Greece.
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good actually. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time.
Thanks to Suncoast Fitness, Sydney is physically prepared, but he says it's not just about weight training.
Well, a lot of it's mental. Natural bodybuilders we have to really plan our workouts, okay? We have to be really thoughtful. We have to recover properly, okay? And our nutritional side of it has to be down to the T.
While being natural is the supreme test for many athletes, Sydney says he would never take steroids.
It boils down to the love of it, because spending 5 hours a day in the gym, I mean, you have to love it. You know what I mean? Waking up 4 in the morning and hitting poses in the mirror, I mean, either you got to be nuts or you just got to really love to do it.
Sonia Mills, 7 News.